Hey, it's Jody here, and if you're on this page, then you're either one of my subscribers or one of my close friends shared this page with you. And the reason I put this special page together, which could come down at any time today, as this is a very limited offer, is to share with you a simple 5-step method to start making money with e-commerce starting today. More specifically, how you can make money by selling weird items on ugly one-page websites that are free to make and take about 2 hours to set up the first time, which then bring in sales and money on autopilot. Now, I'm not sure if you've heard of e-com or e-commerce before, but you may have been seeing these posts all around the internet, especially on Facebook, by people posting things like, I'm making money on Shopify, or I've started selling physical items on sites like Amazon or eBay or things like that. Well, this is real. There are a lot of people right now making money from e-commerce, from selling physical items on the internet. But here's the thing, e-commerce is nothing new. As a matter of fact, e-commerce has been around since the start of the internet. If you type what is e-commerce into Google, it simply stands for commercial transactions conducted on the internet. And there seems to be a e-com guru mafia at the moment that are trying to sell you their products on how to make money with Shopify, or the high-end expensive training. Well, recently while I was in San Diego at the Traffic and Conversion Summit, I met this guy. I was invited to a secret mastermind, and this mastermind was put on by a guy that's making over $1 million per month with e-commerce. So I was invited to this mastermind, and I met this weird looking guy while I was just mingling in this mastermind. So I got talking to this guy, and he was dressed like he didn't make any money. He looked like he was pretty much broke, and I was wondering, what the heck is this guy doing here at this $1 million mastermind? So we got talking, and he actually revealed to me that he's making a killing with e-commerce. However, he's doing things the complete opposite of what the gurus, the e-com gurus, are teaching. He simply finds weird items on the internet. I'm talking about tiny, single weird items that cost about like $6 or $7 to buy, for someone to buy, and he's selling thousands of these weird items every single day on ugly one-page websites that you don't even need a store builder or a Shopify store or a WooCommerce store or any of these technical things that you usually need with e-com. Because there are two ways to make money with e-com. There's the old way, which requires you to invest a lot of money in physical products, have a warehouse, invest a lot of money in traffic, communicate with your dropshipper or your supplier, and then have to ship products to customers. Well, I'm about to reveal to you a simple method where you don't need to hold any inventory, you don't need to talk to any suppliers, you don't need a Shopify store or any store builder. You can start with a very low budget for traffic. I'm talking less than $20 to make your first handful of sales by selling weird items. And we've put this together in a simple 5-step method which you can start seeing results with today, which we call the no store method. And on the page below, you'll be able to read exactly what the no store method is and how the no store method works, and more importantly, how you can start setting up your no store method campaign starting today, so you can start seeing results, making sales, selling weird items on the internet with the no store method without having to go through any kind of trial and error. So read the page below, get access to the no store method. We're only going to be this is available for a limited time only. We can only let a certain amount of people in. Grab your copy of No Store Method after you reach the page below, and I will see you inside the members area of the No Store Method.